Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to send PDF file on Messenger. So first of all, what we need to do, just simply open the Messenger. So first you have to check this option. Now click on not now. So now here you can see we cannot send PDF file here. So simply we will check another option. Click on file manager, click on documents. Here you can check if there is messenger option is available. You can also send it from here. In my mobile, messenger option is not available, but in many cell phones PDF messenger file is available. Another way is very simple. Just click on drive. Here you can also send a copy link to messenger. You can also send a copy to messenger. So in many phones messenger option is available, but in other phones there is no option.